In Australia, where the value of real estate has become a national obsession, total housing stock has hit a new record of $8 trillion. That's nearly 4 times the value of all the shares listed on the Australian Stock Exchange. But can the boom continue? Roger Maynard reports.
It's the best property on the street, a stylish 3-bedroom townhouse in Sydney's southwestern suburbs. It's expected to go for more than $2 million, and there is no shortage of bidders.
1,650, $1,650,000 at $1,650,000. So we make it 1.7 at $1,650,000. The bidder's right here to make the next bid 1.7 million. Yes, sir?
All over Sydney, it's a similar story. This so-called entry-level cottage, which was built in 1905, is also under the hammer, with registered bidders queuing up to make an offer.
People are now thinking, well, let's get into the market now. It's going to go up. Fear of missing out. The market is buoyant. People can get money.
The gavel rises, done quickly, sold. Congratulations and well bought.
A few minutes of heated bidding and it's all over.
Fantastic, absolute cracker result. Selling 67 Forsyth Street in West Ryde for $1,650,000, well over reserve. The backyard was packed. We had about 10 registered bidders. This market's going crazy.
New owner Catherine Collins paid $250,000 over the reserve and believes she's got a bargain.
Well, it's going up and up, isn't it, really? It's not easy to find a home, really. But this is really perfect, I'd say.
Traditionally, as Australia moves into winter, the property market cools as well, but not this year. No one can remember a boom quite like this one. With prices going through the roof and no sign of a slowdown, the question is, how long before the bubble bursts? In fact, there seems no end in sight to the extraordinary amount of money people are prepared to spend on their perfect home. And that includes the top end of the market, where some houses are selling for more than $50 million. Buyers are showing interest from all over Australia and many parts of the world.
I would say 50% of my business very much focused on local buyers. So local buyers, we're talking about local Australians, local Chinese, and 50% depending on the overseas buyers. So they're calling from, a majority from Singapore, Hong Kong, China, New York, and at the moment I'm trying to close the deal. The people are calling from London.
Surprisingly, even the pandemic and Australia's recent lockdowns have failed to dent the real estate market. The auction clearance rate in Sydney has averaged over 75% all year, and the median price of dwellings in the city has jumped by 15% over 12 months, a record high. The prices are being driven by the cheap availability of money.
The price of money's gone down significantly, people's borrowing capacity has gone up significantly, and that's had a direct reflect on prices.
$2,027,000, so here's the bid, highest bidder owns it, selling it immediately. What?
Back in Sydney's southwest, the bidding is hotting up for this 3-bedroom townhouse.
At $2,027,000, sold.
Auctioneer Damien COOLEY is in no doubt that the market will keep on going up.
I think we're going to see prices continue to rise, no question about that.
For this young couple, their new home is a dream come true, and there's only one way to celebrate. Roger Maynard, CNA, Sydney.